Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special mackerel gravy curry recipe. Mackerel curry recipe for chapati and porotta. You can also have it along with rice. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, add 1 kukum star cut into small pieces into it. Take 2 cups of hot water. Also add 2 teaspoons salt. Mix it well. Soak it for 20 minutes. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 4 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. After mustard seeds splutter, keep it medium flame and add 2-inch size chopped ginger and chopped garlics. Saute it for a minute. Now add 15 sliced shallots and saute it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame until it becomes light golden color. Now the color has changed. Keep it low flame and then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. Mix it well. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then add kukum star along with soaked water. Change to high flame and cook until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, add 500 grams of mackerel cut into medium pieces. Add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Close the lid and cook for 9 to 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Keep it low flame and add half cup of coconut milk to it. Slowly give a stir. Cook on low flame for a minute. Keep in mind to avoid boiling after adding coconut milk. After 1 minute, switch off the flame. Our mackerel curry recipe for chapati and porotta is ready. We can also serve it along with the rice.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.